How to set custom charging sound on Samsung. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow to set up the custom charging sound with modes and routines. So I'll just dive right into the video and get started. Open up settings for that. And once we open up settings, what we can do is we can look out for the option called sounds and vibration and tap on it. And within here, we can look out for the option called system sound and vibration control and tap on it. After we tap on it here, we'll be finding different options. So if you want to look out for charging option, we can tap on charging and go ahead and enable this option. And we also have an option of vibration. We can tap on it in order to enable it. If you have an option to change up the sound, we can just go over and choose the option to change sound here and go ahead and choose up a random sound. There may be available options like Galaxy, Calm, Retro, etc. We can use those options right there. And just go over and use it. Apart from that, within settings as well, we can go to settings and look out for option of modes and routines. So we can tap on the top and search for modes and routines and go ahead and tap on it, and routines and go ahead and tap on it. And once we tap on it, if there's an option for charging or power connection, we can look out for the notification options and toggle the charging sound option and go ahead and set the custom charging sound on your device. These are probably the method. Otherwise, if you do not have a direct option available, there are a bunch of third-party applications available. We can use Play Store in order to download those applications and set up the custom charging sound on our Samsung device. So that's it everybody. For now, you can follow out this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.